I'm not gonna lie to you. Despite all of the keyboards that you see on my feed, this is actually my second time building from scratch. This is the Neo 98 by Neo Studio, and you can get it from Berserkis at pre-order until the end of January. So if you're asking me what custom keyboard should I start building with, this is it. So it comes with a case, and the case includes everything that you would ever need to build a custom keyboard, except you'll need your own keycaps, switches and keycaps. I use this Rothmans from Keymoji. That's why I have this car themed Dakar keyboard right here. But everything else is included, like the screwdrivers, the stabilizers, the PCB, the PP plate, the PE foam, the ALU plate, and yeah, pretty much the gaskets, either silicon or pour-on mount. So without further ado, I'd let you hear the sound test. So what are you waiting for? Pre-order this at berserkis.com.au. See you there.